Hello, I'm Justin Nichols, graphic designer at Twin State Technical Services. In this video, I will guide you from creating a Google Gmail account to setting up a branded business YouTube channel that can be shared amongst coworkers, and finally, uploading your first video. Each section is timestamped, so feel free to skip ahead. Alright, let's go. To set up an account, you can either go to gmail.com or accounts.google.com. Currently, I'm not logged into any Google account. Here, you can pick for myself or for managing my business. Feel free to use your name or perhaps the business owner's name. You can change the name later, but not the username. And of course, use a custom unique password to be safe. Some optional sections here that we'll skip. So we'll punch in a quick birth date here, and then also fill out the gender section. Next. Then here's the privacy terms. Go ahead and click I agree. And the account is set up. You can click continue here if you want to put together your Google My Business info, but you can always jump back to that later. Now we are taken to our Google account page where you can customize your settings. We can actually just leave this and head straight to YouTube. Okay, let's navigate past these political ads and videos. Sheep on a trampoline. Stay focused. Top right corner, you will see a small circle profile icon. Let's go ahead and click that. And then go to YouTube Studio, basically our command center. And then we'll create our channel. Now, this is a bit misleading. This is a personal channel. We need to make a branded channel for our business. So we could go down to customization here, and again, like I mentioned, we can change our first and last name. As a personal channel, our channel name requires a first and last name. So let's leave YouTube Studio, or go to your channel, and then down to settings. Here, right in the middle, is add or manage your channels. First name is our personal channel. Next to that is test A. This is just a test I created. We'll delete that later. Time to start our new branded business channel. Fill in the name of your business and create. Now let's customize the channel. We can either press customize channel or go to YouTube Studio. Both take you to YouTube Studio. And then we'll go back down to customization again. And you'll see we have the same three tabs along the top: layout, branding, and basic info. And here, when we edit the name, you'll see it's all just one name. There's no first and last. Type in the business name and description. Website. This will be a link on our top banner. You can add more too. And also put in a general contact email. Over here is the channel link. You cannot customize this right away. First, you need to gather 100 subscribers. So it's not necessary, it just looks more professional. Onto branding. First up, profile picture. For this, I would recommend something iconic that will read well when tiny. So let's use our Twin State Technical Services icon logo. Also keep in mind, this is a circular frame, so the corners of your image will be cut. Next, we have the big banner image. So this looks confusing. What these three different frames demonstrate is how the image will scale and fit to different screen types. If you can't create a custom graphic banner to perfectly fit, then I suggest just using a cool pattern or a photo, just anything that won't look weird if sections get cut off. Finally, we have a little watermark. Totally not necessary, and you probably want to avoid it because it could clash and cover up important information on your videos, but I'll turn it on just to show you. I'm not going to go too far into layout. This is all optional. You can set up some featured videos for both new visitors or subscribers. You can also add in playlists. This is going to be helpful as you add in more and more videos just to help categorize and organize them. Let's publish this customization facelift. And of course the profile image didn't update. Give it another reload. Here we go. Let's go back up to our profile icon and hit your channel. Let's see our professional looking business channel, fingers crossed. And as you can see on the side here is our link to our website. Remember, you can edit that text. It doesn't have to say website. It could be tsts.com or whatever you want. Oh hey, look here, an event on this very topic. So how can we invite coworkers to help manage and edit our branded channel? Let's go back to YouTube Studios, then Settings, Permissions, Manage Permissions, then Manage Permissions again. We'll get asked to log back in, so punch your custom unique hyper secure password and click on Manage Permissions, 3rd time's a charm. And now we can invite others. Click on this tiny hidden icon in the corner and type in an email. As you can see, there are 3 levels. Owners can do everything. You can have multiple owners, they can delete the channel. Managers can upload videos, among other things. Communication managers are limited to managing and posting comments. Let's send the invite. We could send out more, but good for now. Okay, so let's go over deleting a channel. Again, click on our profile icon in the top right, switch account, select the account we want to delete, test A. Then over to settings on the left, then channel, and advanced settings. Scroll down, and here we have remove. And again, we are prompted to re-enter our password as a security measure. I want to permanently delete my content. Check the box, delete my content. Let's just double check that we are in fact in the right channel before we do this. It even says it in blue there, test A. Oh gosh, now we gotta type in the channel's name before we kill it. Pretty cold-blooded, YouTube. Sweet dreams, test A. From here, it'll take a moment, so I recommend just exiting out. Let's go back to YouTube and upload our first video. Under our branded channel, we'll go to YouTube Studio. Right here is an Upload Videos button. We also have a Create button in the top right. Select your video. Rename it and type in a description. We'll come back to the thumbnail. While it's uploading, we can go through some of these other options. You can add it to a playlist, mark it for kids or not. I usually set the videos to unlisted at first, just so this way I can share it amongst coworkers and get some more eyes on it before it goes public. After it's uploaded and processed, we have some excellent automated thumbnail suggestions, and my coworker Micah is looking fabulous in this shot. I don't think I could do better than that, but for the sake of this video, I will upload a custom thumbnail. Click on Upload Thumbnail, and we need to verify our account. So new tab opens, type in your mobile phone number. Sorry, you can't have my number. Ring ring, enter the text code. Congrats, you're YouTube verified. Click back to our previous tab. might take a moment. And we're good. Find your custom thumbnail image. Looks great. Next, and save. So we kept it unlisted so no one can see it unless they have the direct URL link. Won't even show up on search. But the video is perfect, of course, so let's go ahead and edit the video to make it public. Go to videos, click this tiny edit icon. Down here we can add in some tags to help with search engine optimization. To the right we have visibility, change it to public. Hit done, and now save our edits. Let's go to your channel to see how it all looks.
Hey everybody, this is Micah Mosier with Twin State Technical Services.
You've made a Google account, a branded YouTube channel for your business, and uploaded a video. Good work! Feel free to check out other helpful videos of ours, leave feedback below, or contact us with any tech assistance your company may need. Thank you. Have a great day.